Mark Weens here. I'm at the Kashi Chaat Bhandar here in Varanasi, India, and I've just got my first chaat.
Just wait 2 minutes, I'm giving you. Wait for 2 minutes. 3 प्लेट दही वाला 2 प्लेट तुम्हारा हमारा नहीं with curd. Yeah, I'm giving you. You taste it first.
Okay, what is this one called? What is this one called? It's called the special chaat. It's just a mixture of potatoes and it's like a, let me taste it. It's a mixture of like potatoes and tomatoes, and there's some little crunchy things in here as well. And I can taste the coriander, spices. That's like a puree that just melts in your mouth. That's good. That's mouth-watering good. Another dish I've got here is puris. Little puris, and they're filled up with curd, milk curd, and then spices all over it as well. Okay, so this is the puri filled with curd. It's like a crunchy fritter, and it just explodes with like sweet, flavorful, spicy yogurt. Those are like little explosions of yogurt actually. Awesome. Fantastic as well. Spinach palak.
Yeah. Okay. In Hindi we say palak, but in English we say spinach.
Oh, so
yeah.
palak.
Yeah,
palak chaat.
Yeah, palak chaat.
Palak chaat. Okay. Okay, mate. Okay, so my final chaat here at Kashi Chaat is the palak chaat, which is a spinach-based chaat snack. This looks awesome. So many different little ingredients in this little dish in front of me. It's really crunchy, so trying to get a spoonful. But I want to make sure I include everything on my first bite. Oh wow, yeah. It's like a super crunchy chip filled with spinach and then lathered in yogurt. A bunch of different spices on top. Cilantro, coriander, and some hot sauces as well. I love it. Finally, for dessert, I've got gulab jamun, which is a very famous Indian dessert. Try a bite of that. Yeah. It just melts in your mouth. It's sweet. It's like a donut that's been soaked in syrup and butter. It absolutely just melts in your mouth. It's sweet, buttery, really good. Really, really good.
And Kashi Chaat Bhandar.
Very good. Hey, it's Mark here. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please remember to give it a quick thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming food videos.